Hi everyone, well, it's been a while since we heard anything regarding the Pixel 4a, but this latest leak is about to change that. The retail packaging for the phone has ended up on /leaks, which gives us a look at both the packaging as well as the phone itself. The packing itself is nothing special, the design is identical to the Pixel 4 packaging, with a simple white layout showing 2/3 of the back of the phone. But that look at the back and the side of the phone shows things haven't changed much since the last time. You can see the square camera bump in the corner mimicking the design of the more expensive Pixel 4, but only packing a single lens along with an LED flash looking all lonely inside the square. The side of the phone shows the white-colored power button on this black model. Some other details leak on the internet regarding Pixel 4a. It has 5.81-inch 2340 by 1080 OLED display, Snapdragon 730 CPU with 6GB RAM and 64GB or 128GB internal storage option, 12.2 megapixel main rear shooter, 8 megapixel selfie camera, and 3080 mAh battery, also USB Type-C port. We are not sure anymore when this device will be released. It was expected that the phone would be announced at I/O 2020, but with that event being cancelled, it's anyone's guess at this point when the Pixel 4a will be unveiled. I hope you enjoy this latest detail about Google Pixel 4a. Keep subscribe, also take care of yourself, peace out.